Mathematics in the modern world. Here we go.
Good day. In this video, I am going to show you the essence of mathematics in real-life application, especially when it's come to shapes, patterns, numbers in nature, and the world. Also, the mathematical language in symbols. And lastly, in the problem solving and reasoning. The total amount of footsteps you've made. Organizing your schedule. Budgeting your money to buy some foods. Mathematics has always been perceived as something that is puzzling, and people have this idea that it is challenging. However, the beauty of mathematics is everywhere. In fact, our world revolves around mathematics. You just need to open your eyes to see and appreciate it. Now, let me prove it to you that math is everywhere.
We will win. This time we'll have to join forces. This time we will win.
Pattern.
We'll have to join forces.
In mathematics, a pattern is a repeated arrangement of numbers, shapes, colors, and so on. The pattern can be related to any type of event or object. If the set of numbers are related to each other in a specific rule, then the rule or manner is called a pattern. Sometimes, the pattern are also known as a sequence. Math is everywhere. Even when you are in the park, there's a pattern, size, length, width, measurement, and anything that you see, there's a math relation. Spiral. Spirals are patterns that occur naturally in plants and natural systems, including the weather. They were studied by the mathematicians, including Leonardo Fibonacci, who tried to understand order in nature. Spirals have also been the inspiration for architectural forms and ancient symbols.
You know that math is everywhere. I am Audrey Joy P. Bragato.
And I am Marvin G. Igneo. And I am Janver Salazar. I am Milia Efren. And I am Albert Eugene Pangilinan. And we are Group 5.